This is a 2020 Massey Ferguson 8740S Dyna-VT. So it's 6-cylinder, 400 horsepower with a 50k Vario gearbox. It's equipped with front linkage, which is in pretty good condition, just missing a little bit of the grey paint in places. It's got 2 front hydraulic spools, a 345 kilogram front belly weight. It's got a front light socket, external front linkage control, and it is on a hydraulically suspended front axle with pivoting front mudguards. The front grille and bodywork is in pretty good condition. A couple of very minor scratches. It's got LED front work lights, some fixed front rims. There was a little bit of the grey paint and signs of rust just on the outside. The front tyres are Trelleborg TM800s. These are 665 R34s. These front tyres are getting quite low. They're at sort of 10 to 15% with a few cuts and nicks in places. It's diesel and AdBlue. It's on a adjustable sliding bar rear axle, and the rear rims both sides are showing a little bit of rust through the grey paint. Rear tyres are Trelleborg TM900s, and these are 710/75 R42s. These are about 50% tread remaining. Twin beacon LED rear work lights. It's on Cat 4 rear linkage with a manual top link. It's all free and loose, just missing a bit of the grey paint in the usual places. Then we've got external rear linkage and spool control on the left and the right hand side rear fender, and then external PTO control on the left hand side only. Got 5 rear spools with quick decouplers, isobus, dual control, power beyond, load sensing, and air and hydraulic brakes. It's on a hydro pneumatically suspended cab. It's on a Dramone pickup hitch. The hook does have a little bit of wear on it. Rear right tyre also at about 50%. It's got split glass electronically adjustable mirrors, some stowage for a toolbox. Exhaust stacks in pretty good condition. Tiny bit of the black paint missing in places. Otherwise in very good condition. Front and side bodywork in very good condition. Tiny bit of rust showing through around the engine covers. No obvious signs of leaks. Front right tyre also at about 10 to 15%. Clever straw bar with barely any wear on it. So in the cab, this 8740, the trim and plastic's in pretty good condition. No large cuts or scratches anywhere. Got a folding passenger seat, a Grandma air suspended, heated and cooled driver's seat, which is in really good condition. Headline is very clean. A Bluetooth radio, full climate control, and the armrest. You've got all electronic spools, Data 5 screen, and this tractor is guidance ready. And it has done 4,788 hours. So if you'd like any more information about this Massey Ferguson, or you'd like to come and have a look at it, please get in contact with us at Thurlow Nunn Standen.